te fuiste así. Tengo que buscar ya alguna salida y vivir mi vida. Te llevaste todo, baby, tú no sabes que estoy solo. Crying for love, estoy cayendo por ti, cayendo hasta el final, yeah. Te llevaste todo, baby, tú no sabes que estoy solo. Crying for love, estoy cayendo por ti, cayendo hasta el final, yeah.
Hey guys, Irene here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have another behind the scenes video from Costa Rica. So if you missed the previous one, I will link it in the description. Definitely check it out. But today our beautiful model is Maya. Her Instagram will be linked in the description as well. So originally we wanted to photograph around our Airbnb. It had an amazing view, but we didn't really like it. The sun was super strong by the pool, and even in the shade the light was quite bad, with lots of green reflecting in a very unflattering way. So we quickly moved our location to the beach, which was so much better. We found a great spot with lots of shade and no people around. And by the way, my friend Anita Sadowska was photographing Maya as well, and her behind the scenes YouTube video is already out, so check it out after this video to see how a different photographer saw the same location and the model. It's always fun to see the different perspective on the same photo shoot. Okay, first we'll do the sand. Okay. I did like the spot there because it has like a little bit of light coming through. Yeah, that's really nice. Ooh, let's do maybe more sitting, or like, yes, for like vertical. Yes, yeah, that's really cute. That's really nice. Ooh, actually that was kind of cool, like you going in like this, and turn your body towards me a little bit more this way. Yeah, yes. Yes, yeah, exactly. Yes. Yeah, that's perfect. Ooh, let's do, what if you lay down a little bit higher, more like up here? And you can use a rock almost as a pillow, kind of like laying down like this. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, yes, exactly. Yeah, you don't have to put your head down, you can just kind of like have it, yes. Yeah, yes, that's really nice. Oh, I love that. Yeah. Yes, that's really nice.
I promise you can call on me. I promise you can call on me.
Okay, so you can try to see what you can do around here. You can even, yes, either try leaning or sitting or like standing, and we'll like go from there to see. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. I love that. Yeah, that looks gorgeous. I wish I was higher. Here, I'm gonna try to climb this rock. Just to get... Oh yes. Yes, that's very beautiful. What if you turn more the other way, like, ooh, actually that's nice too, yeah. Oh, okay, that's, the body looks, yes, yeah, that is absolutely perfect. Yes, love it. Love it.
I promise you can call on me. I promise you can call on me.
Yes. And then let's do one more where you turn that way. Yes, yes, yes. Almost like, ooh, yeah. Is it possible to like sit on that thing? Like try. And then you can do like the legs like closer to, ooh, like that's nice, yes. And maybe 2 feet down here, yes. Yes, yeah. That's perfect. Oh, I love it. Okay, there we go. Ooh, look to the side, like very much like profile towards me. Yes, exactly. Maybe just a tiny bit towards me. Yeah. Yes. Yes, yeah. Do it. This looks beautiful. I think what you were doing like with looked really cool. Yes. Yeah, it's very cool.
Vamos a hacer que esta vida sea una vida inolvidable. Digan lo que digan, ya tú sabes que si estamos juntos los dos no hay nadie que nos pare. Tú eres mi favorita, dame un chance en la primera cita. Yo quiero que tú seas mi señorita, baby. No hay nadie más bonita, imaginando.
So I don't have the behind the scenes for my next shot because it was really hard to film, but to give you context, I was standing in the same exact spot that I am right now at the top of the rock, and then I got Maya to move closer to the rock and interact with it, and I was shooting her from above. And look at me just a little bit. Yes. Oh, beautiful. Yes, that's really nice. Okay, stay there. I'm gonna do a little video.
Yo siento que nos unió el destino. Te daría un beso, dos besos, tres besos. Solo vive el momento conmigo, mi amor. Te daría un beso, dos besos, tres besos.
Amazing. Okay, and let's do the standing one, and then we'll do the other bikini. Out of this, just literally like very simple, like just standing, like, yes. Yeah, I'm gonna do like way closer. Nice. Oh yeah, that's really beautiful. Yes. Oh, I love that. And look to the other side. Yes, that's beautiful. And your eyes at me. Yes. Oh, that's beautiful. Love it. Oh yeah, hold maybe like your hands somewhere like closer to, yes. Yes, with both hands like that. Yes, exactly. Yes, that's perfect. And just face at me again here. Oh yeah, both hands in the hair. Oh yes. Yeah. If you turn more with your back towards me here. Yes. Yep. like very mermaidy, yes. And just look back at me. Okay, stay there. I'm gonna shoot this on my 85 really quick. There, you know what? I'm gonna climb this rock again. What if you sit here again, like with your back, but now this way? Yes, yep. Yep. Yes, exactly. Yes, and look at me just a little bit more. Yeah, so don't cover your feet with the head, because then it looks like there's no feet. Yes. What if you extend the leg into the water a little bit more? To my side. Yes. Yes, that's really nice. Oh, that's beautiful right there. Yeah, just move around. Give me different poses. Yes. Love that. What if you like bring your knees really high and just kind of like really like hug it like this? Yeah, oh yes, yes, that's really nice, yes. And look at me. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, yep, that's perfect. Keep doing that, yes. Oh yeah. Yes, but ooh, 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 like little, yes, literally don't move. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Yes. Yep, yep, yep. Oh, yes. I love all the leaves in the water. Super cool. Such a different angle here. Yeah, do it again with the water like going down into the... and looking at me. Turn your face a little bit, turn your whole body towards me just a little bit more, yes. Yes, like that. It's kind of like, I know it's kind of hard, you have to like curve yourself more with like butt towards me as well, yes. Yes, right there. Yes. Ooh, and let's do one like this. Grab a lot of it, a lot of the dress. So it's like really high, yeah, so I can see your legs even a little bit more. Like, and here, it's like, yes, 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 yep. Oh, that was nice with your hair as well. Yeah, and looking at me.
A ese booty yo le tengo fe. Te llevo pa' Los Roques, Cancún, PR y San Andrés. Qué bien se ve tu cuerpo en la orilla de la playa. Oh, oh. Otra con ese flow, mami.
Now without the hair, just like standing like this and more straight. Ooh, actually. Yes, and then more straight, stand more straight, yes. And just looking to the side. Yes, yes, like that. Okay, stay there. I'm just gonna get a little bit closer to you. Beautiful. Okay, and then get a lot closer to me. Because I'm gonna do like a nice almost close-up, and then hold the dress from both sides here, like higher. Yes, yeah, kind of like you can put the whole dress like in between your legs, kind of, you know what I mean? Just like gives, yes, yeah. And now I'm gonna try to get like a nice, try to do like this. Yes, just like, oh yeah. Yes. Oh, that's the shot, yeah.
Salió el sol y yo quiero comer tu boca de desayuno. Un wake and bake y un mañanero pa' que me eleve como el humo. Baila nena, que estamos ahí está como una sirena. Encima de la arena, brilla tu piel morena. Baila nena.
So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out Maya. Her Instagram link will be in the description. As usual, give this video a like if you liked it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!